Hey everyone, and welcome to another factory tip. Today, we're talking about something crucial for nearly every machine in your facility: bearing lubrication. It sounds simple, but did you know that over 40% of premature bearing failures are caused by improper lubrication? That's a huge number, leading to costly downtime and repairs. The problem often comes down to two things: using the wrong type of lubricant, or not applying it at the right time. A dry, rusted bearing just won't perform, and eventually, it will seize up completely. The solution is straightforward. Get the right grease and apply it at the right interval. For most industrial applications, a high-quality lithium grease is a solid choice. But always check your machine's manual for specific recommendations. By establishing a consistent lubrication schedule, you're not just preventing failures. You're extending the life of your equipment and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Thanks for watching. For more tips to keep your plant running, make sure to subscribe.